This is going to be a quick test of the sound between the Echo Show and the Echo. Specifically, I'm testing the bass sound, and I'm using Panic at the Disco as the test song. So we'll start off with the Echo Show, and then I'll switch over to the Echo and back and forth a couple times.
Come on, just snap, snap, snap your fingers for me. Good, good, now we're making some progress. Come on, just tap, tap, tap your toes to the beat. And I believe this may call production well. Don't you see? I'm the narrator and this is just the prologue. Swear to stick it up if you swear to listen. We're still so young, desperate for attention. I aim to be your eyes, trophy boys. Swear to stick it up if you swear to listen. We're still so young, desperate for attention. I aim to be your eyes, trophy boys, trophy wives.
So in my opinion, the bass is heavier and a bit muddier on the Echo Show, and the high end is a bit better on the Echo.